Hi, I am Dr. K. Rani, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today my subject name is Business Environment and Communication. My topic name is Internal to the Enterprise. What is internal to the enterprise? When you're building a health work environment, company executive pay attention to many internal factors that impacting their organization. These factors concentrate on how the employee behave and how their supervisor treated them. Learning about the importance of a company internal factors and environment is an integral element of improving your understanding of human research management. What is internal enterprise? The internal enterprise is a important component of a business environment. It concentrates on the various factors that are present within an organization and can affect how its workforce operates or what value the entry organization represents. The opposite of this concept is the internal environment that consists of factors such as economic, legal, social, global factor which can influence the organization position and operator. 8 components of internal enterprise. The internal environment of a company is one of the most important things that you can concentrate on as a human research manager. To better understanding this concept, it is helpful to review its specific components. Value system. The value system of a company refers to the company's goals, norms and moral belief that influence a specific mindset of its workforce. Establishing and maintaining a clear set of value creating organization consistency and integrity which show employee what their employer standard for. In many instances, employee may consider the company specific value. Strong work ethic, honesty, self-respect, respect for others, integrity, servant leadership, loyalty, vision and mission and objectives. The company vision is an ideal that executives have about the organization further and what it can become. By creating a compelling for the company, they can inspire employees and motivate their desire for success. Most commonly, this element of a business environment clearly artificial the company measurable aspires such entering a specific market, become a leader within the knife. Economic objective, social objective, human objective, organizing objective, global objective. Organizational structure. The organizational structure of the company is a set of rules that outline reporting process within the organization. As part of this important internal factor, companies define the rules and responsibility of their employee. Corporate culture. The term corporate culture refers to the belief and behavior that a company encourages, including the way in which employee and manager interact with each other. Creating health company culture is an important goal for many companies regardless of their size, as doing often help them making their employee happier and improve employee reduction. Purpose drive culture. Purpose drive company culture emphasizes workforce through their own action and word. Organizational leader inspire employee to contribution to their common great good. Caring workplace culture. Caring workplace culture is one of the more power types that company choose. The corporate culture is often highly collaborative and welcoming. Result-oriented culture. The result-oriented company culture encourage employees to focus on achieving their individual professional goal, thanks to which they can contribute to their employer success. Play management style. Management style is a specific way in which manager approach their leadership responsibility. Autocratic management style, democratic management style, persuasive management style. Human research. Human research is also a valuable asset of very company that employs people. Labor union. Labor union are a way for employee to unite as they represent the entire workforce of the company. Physical and technological research. Physical research are tangible assets that a company owns, such as equipment or building. These assets are an integral part of many internal processes, including manufacturing product or developing service that companies can launch to make their business after offering more competitive. Thank you.